Alright, thank you so much for watching. And again, this is from Reviews. And today we'll be reviewing this Jollibee Special Edition Funko Pop Collection. So this is in celebration of the 40 years anniversary of Jollibee. So to those who don't know, the Jollibee is a fast food chain in the Philippines that is in rival with McDonald's. It's actually #1 compared to McDonald's here in the Philippines. Alright, so let's start with the box itself. So again, it says Jollibee number 30, add icons, that's 40 years, and then it says Jollibee. So Jollibee 30 on the side, and on the box it says Jollibee. Now this is the regular version of the Funko Pop release. There's another release that was for the special edition, but that was so expensive and I don't have it. What I have is just the regular one. This is for 650 pesos when it was released. I'm not sure if this is now a much higher price since it's quite a collectible actually. So I'll go ahead and unbox the Jollibee Pop, and I'll show you the closer look of the Jollibee Pop itself. Alright, so I have now Jollibee unboxed, and so if you can see, this is the world famous bee, which is the Jollibee. So Jollibee is the icon for the restaurant or a food chain, which is quite famous in the Philippines and is also garnering like lots of international recognition now, because they are basically ramping up when it comes to opening branches in the US as well as Canada and the UK and Europe and so on, as well as in Asia. So here's a much closer look. So Jollibee is wearing the chef's hat with the 2 antennas, and then the smiling and jolly bee. So he's wearing the iconic yellow and red stripes as well as yellow shoes. So it's quite intricate when it comes to the makeup, and then here's the wings of Jollibee. So it's part of a trivia. So the reason why Jollibee is actually red and is striped with yellow is because, based on research, if anyone who is hungry will see a color, or is not really hungry, but if someone will see yellow and red and white color, it induces their it is salivating, meaning that it is inducing them for the food. So that's why it is color red. The same thing with McDonald's, it's color red as well, and also yellow. So basically this is the Jollibee series. So that's again the closer look, and this is just one of the regular released pop. There is a special Jollibee pop like collection, but I don't have it. So hopefully if you'd like to have me review it, send it to me. Thank you so much, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, as I will be reviewing more pops that I have in my collection in the future. Thank you so much. Bye bye.